Seize the opportunity of your life before a day comes when you won't have it anymore. Ibn Umar radiallahu anhuma used to say, when you enter the evening, don't ever think that you're going to get up in the morning. And when you get up in the morning, don't ever think that you're going to make it to the evening. Meaning, you should just be prepared. You should just be prepared. Many times, I think when you clock a certain age, as you recline in your bed, do you know what's the dua? The dua is, Oh Allah, in your name I put my side to sleep. If you take my soul away in my sleep, have mercy on it. And if you send it back in the morning and allow me to wake up, protect me in the same way you protect your pious slaves. Wow. بسمك اللهم وضعت جنبي وبك أرفعها إن أمسكت نفسي فاغفر لها وإن أرسلتها فاحفظها بحفظك الذي تحفظ به عبادك الصالحين. That's a prayer the Prophet ﷺ used to make when he used to recline in the evening, go to sleep, go to bed. What does that mean? It means you might not make it up in the morning. Have you made peace with Allah? Make peace with Allah every morning, every evening. And I tell you what, I started off by speaking about New Year's resolutions. And I'm ending off by telling you, you should have a daily resolution, in fact twice a day. In the morning and in the evening. Because as the angels rotate, your deeds go up. Let's make sure that they go up, at least with the repentance. Oh Allah, my day, I did good, I did a bit of bad. Forgive me, grant me goodness. Let tomorrow be a better day. I'm going to use my energies in the right way. Make me a better person. Such, when I close my eyes and meet you, grant me the goodness. And make it easy for me in this world as well. Bearing in mind, when you make the lives of others easy, Allah makes your life easy.